Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, parking sensors, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with 2017 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.